do a quick roll call. We have Kian A and Kian J. Kian J, it's only math that will go on here. Don't worry about it. So we have Kian A, Kian J, we have Sidhu, we have Grihita and Jaganya and Swecha. And here in the classroom we have Suchit and Havisha. Okay, wonderful. So this is your first class, Havisha. So there are things that I wanted you to be aware of. When I'm teaching in the class, you don't have to worry about taking notes. You should only follow the concepts. And if there is something not clear to you, don't hesitate. If I'm asking you a question and if you are doubting yourself that okay, I might be right or wrong, don't even hesitate to answer, okay? There's nothing that is wrong here, okay? And whatever I'm doing, that is getting recorded in the iPad. So you will have the video of the class. One thing I want each one of you to do from today is, after I upload the video of the class, I want you guys to go through the video and make your own notes. That okay, we learned this concept and these are the key things. I mean, again, you don't have to write a big story. Write some small notes which you can refer later on, okay? Because you will learn and you will forget also. Does that sound okay? Hey Manas. So there are two things that we will do today, okay? We will look at the assignment for the last week and we will look at some of the percentage concepts. Manas, you have left your silver bracelet with me.
Yeah.
Okay, you can collect it when you come to the class next time. So, in the last class, we learned about triangles, angles relationship, and I gave you guys some assignments. Some of you were saying that this assignment is difficult. So what we'll do today is, we will go through the assignment, few problems, and see how do we decode it and make it easy. Yeah? So, Havisha, I'm very poor when it comes to remembering name. Suchit is a victim of that. After 1 month of class, one day I forgot his name. So if I say your name incorrectly, don't worry about it, okay? I'm just getting old, sometimes I forget. But after a few classes, I'll be fine. Okay? And your name is a little unique, so hopefully I will not mess it up. Okay, alright. So, let me do one thing. Let me quickly walk you guys through what we learned in the previous class and then we'll jump onto the assignment. Otherwise, you might not be able to relate to things. So here are the things that we learned. You guys all know about what is acute angle, obtuse angle and right angle. No questions, right? Manas, keep your video on the Kian A, Kian J, Grihita, Havisha, Suchit. Everybody clear about what is acute? Can you open the door better for me?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, other thing that we learned was the red button, okay?
Yeah.
Other thing that we learned was you can keep it open for a little bit because I think this guy is Marco will come. So other thing that we learned was that if I have a line, straight line or line segment, whatever you call it, and there's another line that intersects at some point, these two angles are adding up to 180 degrees because it's forming a straight angle. Everybody with me so far?
Yeah.
Then we saw that there's another thing that we need to be aware of, that if I have a pair of parallel lines and the third line intersects both of them, these angles are called corresponding angles. Yeah? Why? They are both on the same side of this intersecting line and both are above the parallel lines. Similarly, this angle and this angle will also be corresponding angle.
So equal to each other.
Both are below the parallel line and both on the same side of the intersecting line. Okay? And the corresponding angles are same, equal to each other. Okay? Other thing that we learned was that if I have a pair of parallel lines and the third line intersects, this angle and this angle are called opposite interior angles. Both are interior within the cover, and they are on the opposite side of the intersecting line. So they are called opposite interior angles, and they are also the same. So far okay? Everybody okay? Other thing that we learned was that if I have two lines intersecting each other, Marco, come on and do one favor to me. Press that red button to close the door. I know you are not feeling cold, but everybody else is. At least me. If we have two lines intersecting each other, these are called opposite angles or vertical angles, and they are the same. Okay? Everybody with me? Sidhu, Manas, Chacha, everybody? Okay. So these were the things that we learned. Other thing that we learned or revised was that if I have a triangle, sum of all the three angles.
Sorry.
It's okay. Sum of all the three angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. Yeah?
Can I explain how to like do it?
Yeah, so I'm not trying to prove it right now
Okay.
because you not have to prove it ever. But we proved that in the previous class, so we are not doing it right now because we will come back to the assignment. Okay? We are wanting to come back to the assignment. So sum of all the three angles of a triangle adds up to 180 degree. These are the things that. Yep.
Sorry, but in trouble, your screen is kind of blurry.
Is it the case for everybody else?
No, I can see it.
Okay, then the magic trick for that is disconnect and join. That's how it works.
Okay, I'll just.
Okay, so the other thing that we learned, and we also proved why sum of all the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So let's not worry about it. Now, can you see better now?
Yes.
See, I am a magician also. Okay. Now, coming to some of the problems. Let me pick up one of the problems. This problem says this angle is x, this angle is 87 degrees, this angle is 54 degrees. Can you find out how much is the value of x? Yeah? Anybody in the class who is having difficulty in finding it out? How will you find it out? Yeah?
Isn't the answer 39?
Maybe. I mean, yeah.
You take what I would do is I would do 87 plus 54,
Uh-huh.
and then I would minus that by 180.
Exactly. Yeah. Yes, you do. Tell me.
The answer is 39 because you had to add 87 and 54.
Exactly. So,
Say that too.
okay. So, see, again, so for some of you who don't know me, like Hamisha, I am a horrible teacher. When I say horrible teacher, I mean by that is, I'm the only teacher of its kind who doesn't care about the answer. I don't really care about the answer. What matters to me the most is how are you coming to the answer. So these three angles are making a straight line, meaning all these angles will add up to 180. So this plus this equal to 180. These two are known, this is not known. So x plus 54 plus 87 equals 180. Now, how will you find out x? I'm not going to spend time on this. I know you guys are smarter than me. Yeah? Everybody okay? So I'm just skimming through all the assignment problems to see how would the kids solve it, right? Let me pick up another problem. Manas, are you with me so far?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know. I don't want to like spoil it, but I'm guessing. I don't know if it's true or not, but I
You don't have to guess. Math as a subject doesn't give us any opportunity for guessing it. Do it is the way.
Yeah.
Okay?
No, because like, I accidentally said yes. I meant like I did the math.
Okay. So that's what I will praise you guys for. I will never praise anybody for guess, but I will appreciate you guys for.
Oh, is that a different one now?
Yeah. I'm just skimming through all the assignment questions to see where anybody in the class was struggling. If you have to find out the value of this x and this y, is everybody clear about how to do it?
Yeah.
Yeah, right? These two are adding up to 180, these two are adding up to 180. Yeah?
Oh.
If this is 47, you can find this out. If this is 124, you can find this out. Right? I'm not spending time on that. Yes, Kian.
I don't know if I'm right, but to like solve it, do I have to add 47 plus 7, then subtract that from 180 and then divide it by 2?
Where is 7?
Is that 7 on the top?
I thought it was
Oh, I have a question. Oh, okay.
Yeah? Okay.
Wait,
So,
is that where above X? Does that say what does it say?
47, this one is to be found. This is 124, this one is to be found. Yeah.
Oh, that's 124.
Oh.
Y and Y combined with 47 is 180 degrees.
Correct.
Wait,
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
wouldn't y equal 124 because they're both opposite interior angles?
No. That you will not go. See, nobody has given you any clue or confirmation that these two are parallel lines. And don't even have to worry about it. See, here if you are thinking that these two are parallel lines, you are making an assumption. But when you look at these two angles, these two will add up to 180 degree by default. So, assumptions you have to always minimize or nullify. This is straightforward, point blank. Don't have to assume anything. Here, these two are, there is no scope for any assumption. What if my drawing skills are horrible, which is the true scenario any which way? Now what? So go by what you see right in front of your eyes. Hello Adya. Adya, we are doing the assignment. We are just looking through the assignment that we got last week and we are trying to see if there is anything that is difficult where anybody was struggling. Okay?
Sir,
Yeah, beta?
for it says 123 plus 47. That's 171. Is it okay if I put X and Y like as different even though it's not the answer?
You will look at these two together, look at these two together. Don't do any mix and match. That will create confusion.
Oh, sir.
Yeah.
Wait, for 47 and Y, I got like 133.
Okay.
And then for 124 and then X, I got 156.
Okay. So right now I'm not asking for the answer. I'm just trying to make sure that if you come across the problem like this, are you guys super confident that you know how to do it? Everybody?
Yes.
So for you, Manas, simple. This is a straight line. Any angle that is formed or created around it makes it a straight angle. If I am putting a line like this angle and this angle will add up to 180 degree. As simple as that. So this is 47 plus something will make it 180. 124 plus something will make it 180. You figure out what is that something. Yeah? Alright? Sidhu, you're saying something?
No.
No. I'm in a hurry.
I was gonna say X is
Okay.
56 and Y is 130.
Okay. So now let me do one thing. Let me jump on to the next set of problems that is going to be more interesting for everybody here. Kian, A and J, Greta, Adya, Manas, everybody with me, right? Sidhu? Okay. Now this was the new other concept that we learned in the last class, which was about similarity of triangles. Okay?
Yeah.
So when you said there are two triangles similar to each other, Kian J, are you saying something? You have raised your hand.
What?
You have raised your hand, that's what I was asking.
Oh wait, I want to
Okay.
Sorry.
So it's fine. The other concept that we learned in the previous class was about similarity of triangle. If this triangle and this triangle are similar, that means they have match. What is that? Manas? I would suggest you guys not to be busy typing, texting, sending emojis. Those can be done after the class. Okay. Coming to this one. When we say there are two triangles similar, remember there is a difference between same and similar. When I say same, they are exactly same. Each and every property are matching. But when I am saying similar, that means only the angles are matching. So this angle and this angle are same. This angle and this angle are same. This angle and this angle are same. That is why it is similar. Okay? And when you have two triangles similar, their sides will be in the same proportion. That is what we learned in the last class. And let me repeat it for you guys. So if I have ABC and DEF, if I am claiming that these two are similar triangles, what I am saying is their sides will be in the same proportion. What it means is AB by DE will be equal to BC by EF will be equal to AC by DF. Now you will say, from where did it come? Look at this. Let's see if I am saying, what is
I
that?
have a question.
Yep.
So like in the homework there was like the similar triangles for like each question. So would A be the corners like
Okay, hold it for 2 more minutes, beta, okay? I'll make it clear for you. Okay, we have somebody called Nirmita. Hello, beta, how are you?
It's actually not my name.
Okay. So your name is?
Tanika.
Divika? Okay. So Divika, this is your first class. So,
Yeah.
okay, so I talked to Daddy today. And you're in 6th grade if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So welcome to the class. Now only 1 minute I will take. Sorry for interrupting everybody else. Oh, what is that?
It says BC over EF.
Manas, hold your horses. Your horses are going everywhere. Okay, I'm just saying, Divika, just giving her quick information. Whatever we are doing in the class, you will just focus on following the concept bit, okay? You don't have to worry about taking notes or anything, because whatever we have done, you joined a little late.
Yeah.
I will send a video of the class which you can watch later to just revise what we did, and then you can make your own notes, okay? So while in the class, you don't have to worry about missing something or something you have not noted down or you forgot something, okay? You will only focus on the concept. So what we are talking about right now is we are talking about the similarity of triangle concept. When we say there are two triangles which are similar, not same, what we are saying is they have matching angles. So if I have one angle here, there is a matching angle here. Another angle has a matching angle. Third angle also has a matching angle. Okay? So when you have two triangles with matching angles, that is when it is called similar.
Okay.
Or in your world, you guys have seen phones much more than what I had seen when I was your age. Right? You know how to do zoom in, zoom out. Manas, control. Okay, so you can always look at a picture, zoom in, zoom out. Tomorrow, when you get time, get a picture of a triangle on the phone and try zooming in, zooming out. You will see that it just becomes smaller or bigger. It looks exactly the same, but just the dimension changes. The size will become smaller or bigger depending on whether you are zooming out or zooming in. Okay? So that's an example of similarity. Okay? Now, here in this context, what we are saying is these two triangles are similar, meaning they have matching angles. So this angle matching, this angle matching, this angle matching. When you have similar triangles, their sides will be in the same proportion. So if you look at it carefully, this is a triangle ABC minus be on mute. I don't want to hear something that I'm not supposed to hear. You guys will unmute yourself when you have to talk. Okay? So here, ABC and DEF, we are saying they are similar because they have matching angles. So far okay? Devika, are you able to follow me okay? Am I speaking very fast for you?
No.
No? Okay. Alright. So when these two triangles are similar, I am telling you that this is the concept that comes with geometry, which says if you have similar triangles, their sides will be in the same proportion. What I mean by that is, look at this side. This side AB divided by DE equals BC divided by EF equals AC divided by DF. Now you will say, from where did I get all this relationship? Look at this. Here, this angle and this angle are matching, right? Look at the side opposite to this angle. Angle A is BC, this one. And angle D, opposite side is EF. Okay? So these are the sides opposite to the matching angles. This one, if you see, this one, angle B and angle E, these two are matching. So side opposite to this one is AC. And side opposite to this one is DF. Okay? Am I making sense so far?
Wait,
Adya, Samantha? Yeah.
wait, what do you want, like, if I'm doing, like, a really...
Okay, so let me decode this, okay? Then I'll come to you, Greta, okay? What I'm saying is, there are two triangles which we are claiming are similar.
Yeah, I understand that.
Allow me to complete.
Okay.
So, I have two triangles which we are saying is similar, are similar. And the second statement that I'm making is, their sides will be in the same proportion. Now, what sides? That is where this angle plays a role. I'm saying what side? Okay, these two angles are matching. Let's look at the sides opposite to this one. Side opposite to this angle is BC, side opposite to this angle is EF. This one I'm talking about. This is my angle, first angle. This is my second angle. These two are my matching angles, second angles. So side opposite to this one is AC and side opposite to this is DF. This is my second angle. This is the third angle. This is the third pair of angle matching. Side opposite to this one is AB and side opposite to this one is DE. This is my third angle. So this angle side relationship helps us to tell, okay, what proportion we are talking about. Just making a blanket statement that when you have two similar triangles, their sides in the same proportion doesn't go anywhere. What sides we are talking about? That is why this angle. Because your base is angle. You are calling two triangles similar only because they have matching angles. When you have matching angles, use that as an information to find out the proportion. Yes, Ravita, tell me what is your question, Rita?
Sir, so I understand it, but like, how do you get that like one missing angle that is
So see, this is the beauty of the problem. Okay, so Kian, I'm sure he also has similar question. So now I will come to it. See, this is the reason why I'm stressing on this. That if this is injected in your brain, if you are 100, 200, 300% sure about, how do you determine what ratio you are talking about? Your life will become much easier with respect to this kind of problem. Okay. So let me make two statements and we will jump onto a problem. Okay. And then we'll see why I'm making a statement like this. Okay. First thing is, if I have two similar triangles, meaning they have matching angles, then my sides are in the same proportion. What sides I'm talking about? I'm talking about the sides opposite to the matching angle. Okay? Devika, okay, beta? Swecha, Adya, Manas, everybody okay? Okay, Sidhu, okay? Alright, here Vivan, Marco. Okay, now these two statements. Yes, Manas.
Well, I asked them because they asked me the same.
Okay, that's okay. That's okay. If anybody has a doubt, you have full rights to ask questions. Okay, don't worry about it. I don't go mad for somebody asking questions. Okay. Now let's look at one of the problems that we were trying to. So, Devika, for you, beta, you have no background to what I'm talking about, but we learned this concept in the previous class, and when I gave the assignments to the kids, they were finding some of the problems difficult. So that's why we are looking at the assignments and we'll try to solve it together. So this was the first question. Okay. Now this is given as 24. This is given as y. This is given as 9. And this is given as, oops, what am I doing? 24y. This is given as 4. And this is also given as 4. So this is 24. We have to find out this length. This is given as 4. And this is given as 4. Okay. And we have to find out what is the length of this one. Yep. Okay. Is this a valid question, creator? Kian A, Kian J. Does this sound like a valid question that I'm looking at?
Yes.
So now tell me, anybody in the class who knows how to solve it before I jump onto it. Yes, Kian J. Tell me. I'll come to you.
I have a question first. Is that a Y or a 4 on the left?
If it was a 4, there was nothing to find out. Just unfortunately, your teacher's handwriting is horrible.
And also, to solve it, you just have to subtract 24 and 4.
No.
Oh, okay.
Is it 24 plus 4 plus 4 minus 180?
We have to find out the length of this side. That's what we have to find out. What is the value of y? Now, here, look at this. What I'm saying is, this triangle and this triangle are similar.
Sir, what does the top number say?
24. Yep.
Okay.
Wait, does it equal to 24?
I see so many O's in the class.
24.
Yes, Adya.
I kind of had a guess, why, that Y could be 24 because, the other triangle, 4 and 4, so, that could be the same thing, kind of.
You are right with the answer. I will give a story to this answer, okay? Now, what I'm saying is, this triangle and this triangle are similar. Yep, you also getting 24?
Yes.
These two triangles are similar. Why? Because, now look at it, this line and this line are parallel, okay? So this angle and this angle are your corresponding angles, okay? Similarly, this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree. So this angle and this angle are the same. Anyway, they are same because these two are parallel lines, these two angles are same. So these two triangles are similar. Now you go back to, so let's say this is angle 1 which is 90, this is also angle 190. This is angle 2 which is matching with this angle 2 because they are corresponding angles. This is angle 3 and this is angle 3 which are matching. Okay? I am saying these two are similar triangles. So when you have two triangles as similar triangles, their sides will be in the same proportion. Meaning side opposite to A as the matching angle 1 and 1. Side opposite to this one will be this one. Let's say this is K and this is L. Okay, I'm just giving some name. So these two are matching angles 1 and 1. So side opposite to this is K over L will be equal to, let's look at the second matching angle. This is 2, opposite to this is 4, Y. divided by second matching angle is this 2, up to this is side 4, will be equal to the third matching angle is opposite side. So third matching angle, these two. Side opposite to this is 24 divided by side opposite to this is 4. This K and L is something that you don't want to care about. Nobody is asking you to find out the length of these two sides. I just give it a name so that we can relate to this concept. I will just ignore this. We just cooked it up on the fly. So y over 4 equal to 24 by 4. Y over 4 equal to 24 by 4. This is good enough for you to get what we are trying to get. So y will be equal to 24 over 4 and this 4 goes to the top like the butterfly. So it comes here. This 4 and this 4 tic-tac-toe. This is the answer that you gave Adya. And that aligns with from a concept point of view. Again, let me repeat my story. When you looked at these two triangles, this was given, this was given, this was given, and this is what we had to find out. When we looked at this carefully, we found that these two triangles are similar triangles. This is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, this angle and this angle are corresponding angles, because if you look at these two are parallel lines and this is an intersecting line, these two are corresponding angles. If two angles are matching, third angle has to match, no question asked. If these two triangles are similar triangles, my sides will be in the same proportion, which we plugged in here and we got the value. Yes, sir. Yes, Greta.
One second. Okay, so you said like if you add all like the angles in a triangle, it's like 180 degrees. So imagine that side is 24, and then the y is 24. So would the rest like 24 plus 24 would that like 40?
So there are two things here. There are two things here. I am stopping you, Greta, here because I said only the sum of the angles add up to 180, not the sides. This 24 and 4y are the sides. Length of the side. The angles will always add up to 180 degree. This angle, this angle, this angle 180 degree, this angle, this angle, this angle 180 degree. So here we are talking about sides, not angles right now. So if you look at any triangle, right? Any triangle has what identity? It has 3 sides and 3 angles. Sum of the angles will be 180 degree. That holds true for any triangle. Length of the side could vary. If I have a triangle like this, a triangle like this, a triangle like this. Okay, so sides length could vary, but some of the angles will be always 180 degrees. So there are two different things that I'm trying to relate to. Does it make sense, Greta? So Manas, you said it is kind of confusing, and I hear that. Confusion comes from lack of practice. That is why I'm insisting you guys to do a lot of practice. Okay? See, one thing beta, okay? Sum of all the 3 angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That is written in stone. Why? Because we proved that in the last class also. Okay? Now, how do you relate the, see again, if I'm saying 2 triangles are similar, what do I mean by that? This triangle and this triangle similar because for each and every angle in this triangle there is a matching angle here. This angle has a matching angle, this angle has a matching angle, this angle has a matching angle. Just that it is a scaled down version of this angle. If you look at it from a visual interpretation point of view. Okay? So you will start creating image of this concept in your brain. You will start visualizing it. See, why did people put the wheel of a car of round shape. Why did they not put the car's wheel like rectangles? Imagine this being the car. It would not work because this creates a lot of friction. And car will make all that musical stuff for every rotation it does. Yeah? And people will feel like they are doing horse riding, not riding a car. So there is a science behind that. So we are decoding that science here. If I am saying there are two triangles similar, I'm not a Baba who is preaching here, right? I'm teaching you guys math. So just me saying that these two triangles are similar, what is the relationship out of it? That is what I'm explaining here. Yeah? Everybody with me? Trust me, my videos of the class, I would not say these are $1 million worth, but it certainly has enough information for you guys to go through it and challenge yourself, think about it, visualize it, draw it, sketch it. Things will start getting more clearer. Okay? Yeah? Alright. So, does this solution approach sound okay to everybody? Yeah? Do you guys need some little bit of warm up? I will do one thing. In the meantime, how many of you are comfortable with percentage? I know I'm changing topic a little bit. I wanted to solve one percentage problem and then I'll come back to the similarity concept one more time. Percentage, you're not sure? If I say, I'll give you 50% of my whole worth, how much I'm talking about? Let's say I have $500. I'm saying I'll give you 50% of my worth.
250.
You know it. Why you're shaking your head like that? You should shake it like this. Okay? Alright. So let's do one thing. Let me just change the flavor of the class a little bit and solve one percentage problem. Okay? Manas, this is for you. You also, so that you find something a little easier for you. Okay? Not for anybody in particular. It is for everybody. Okay? I am reading one question. A pair of sandals is on sale for 20% off the original price. Pair of sandals, okay? We are not buying one sandal. It has to be a pair. Okay? Pair of sandal is on sale for 20% of the original price. If the original price of the sandal is $21, what is the sale price?
Wait, like
Wouldn't that be
$21?
18.86?
I don't know. You guys have to calculate.
Wait. Is
Wait,
it
just
$21?
sales tax or what you said?
I'm reading the question one more time.
I'm done.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, you can read it.
Let me read the question one more time. A pair of sandals is on sale for 20% off the original price. If the original price of the sandals is $21, what is the sale price? Does that answer your question, Sidhu?
Yeah.
Okay. Can everybody find it in next 1 minute? Yep.
This is $16.80.
I don't know. Because I don't know it till I calculate it. I don't have the answer sheet with me ever. Yep.
I got $16.80.
Okay, you also got $60. How about you, Margo and Avisha? Do it. Play with math, okay? Play with math. All the kids who don't know about it, I'm turning 50 this year. And I become like a child when I'm doing math. I want you guys to keep your childhood with you always when you're doing math, okay?
Sir,
Yep.
is it $4.20?
20% off the sale price. So you are getting 20% discount. So you have to find out what is the sale price.
I forgot to subtract them, right?
Okay.
Is it 16.8?
Okay. Kian A.
There I also got 16.8.
Okay.
Yeah, I got 16.8.
Okay.
I forgot to subtract.
That's okay. So everybody got 16.8. Manas, you also got 16.8.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, one more problem for in 30 seconds. And then we'll go back to similarity of triangles. Alex is buying a sweater that originally cost $35. Alex, one of my best childhood friend, he's buying a sweater which was originally priced at $35. And a pair of jeans that originally cost $28. So this is sweater, this is jeans.
Wait, 20, you wrote 25, maybe 28.
See, now you can relate to it, right? I said I'm turning 50. Now, the next sentence says, if the sweater is marked down 30%, sweater is marked down 30%, and the jeans are marked down by 15%, find the total cost including 8% sales tax. This is interesting.
8% sales tax? Wait, 8% sales tax off the, like, the new price or the old price?
It's always the new price.
Let's find out the percentage of wait, what are we supposed to? We're supposed to find the total cost after
Alright,
sales
so
tax, right?
After sales tax, yes. So it says sweater was originally marked for $35 with a 10% markdown. Jeans was originally priced at $28 with a 15% markdown. Find out the total price that the customer has to pay after 8% sales tax. Does that sound okay? Yeah.
I don't know how to do this.
I'm sorry?
I don't know how to do this.
Okay. So we'll come to this one. Okay. So I want everybody to try it and then
Wait, you said 8%?
8% sales tax.
Alright, so that's.
Is everybody doing it? Ayush, you joined pretty late. I don't know when you joined. I did not even notice it. Jaganya, you're saying something, beta? You had typed something. No, okay, it was minus.
So I got 52.68.
Okay. How about Devika?
I'm not done.
Not done yet? Okay. Kian J,
Can I go to the bathroom?
100%. Manas, what did you get?
Oh, I did it. My thing turned off, so that's
Okay. So I'm giving you guys maybe maximum 2 more minutes. And in the meantime, I'll deal with Mr. Marco. So, look at this. $35 is the price. 35 is the mark price. Originally. And it says 30% markdown. Meaning, you have to pay only 70% of the price. So 70%. 70%. See, this is per, right? I say 50 miles per hour. How do I write it? Miles per hour. Right? This is per. See, 70%. This 100 stands for century, which is 100. So cent, when you say 70% of this price. Now you calculate 70 by 100 into 35. This will give you some value. This 0 gone. 5 2 is 10, 5 7 is 35. So 7 is 49 by 2.
It's
Are you there in 2 minutes?
It's not 50.
May I use the restroom?
100%. Don't even wait for me. Just go on.
Oh,
So
yeah.
this is the price that you have to pay for this one. Same way you calculate for the jeans. 28 is the listing price. 15% markdown, meaning you have to pay 15% less. Meaning you have to pay only 85%. So 85% off.
I got $4.15.
So this is what. Yeah, but I'll be there in 2 minutes. Okay. Yeah.
Wait, is that 8% off?
I got
Sales tax is never off. That's a penalty we all pay as customers.
52.162.
Okay. 56. Okay. How about Divika.
Oh.
I thought it was off.
No, sales tax, see, this is the thing. We as customers, we pay the price of the product plus the tax that goes to the government also. So the tax is on the top of the price, so you have to add that much extra percent. Yes, you do.
This.
I thought 54.
Okay, so,
Like, what do you think synchronized to that?
yeah, please, go ahead. Yeah, Kian A, go ahead.
I got 49.4.
Okay, how about Abhisha?
He's helping me.
Oh, he's helping you? Okay. Now, there's one more statement that Divika and Havisha would want to hear from me, and you will not like me for that statement. What I say is, don't even trust your best friend when it comes to math. Always do it yourself. Now, again, it's not about he helping you now. I'm saying that no, this should be the instinct. This is what he's saying. Let me check myself. If you keep that instinct, you will keep on mastering things. Yes, Divika, what did you get?
I got $54.90.
Okay. All right. So these are some of the good or bad techniques that we learn in the class. Primarily because we are trying to become the best version of ourselves when it comes to math. Okay. Even if my statements are not that professionally correct, but my goal is to make sure that you see that madness in yourself when you're doing math. Okay. You should be excited when you're doing math. If a 50-year-old man, when mostly people at my age, they start thinking about retirement and other stuff. I enjoy this. Okay. All right. Coming back to this one. So simple, everybody has done it. I'm just repeating it. It says 35 was the mark price and 30% discount, meaning I have to pay only 70% of this price. And here 15% is marked down, that means I have to pay only 85% of the price. So I'll find out 70%, 70%. This is how I read it. This is English, okay? 70%. Cent stands for century. 70% off the number. I'm going by the English, I'm not memorizing a formula. And whatever is the value, I think it's 24 point something. I'm not worrying about that right now. And then, I'm sorry?
Oh, you're
Okay. And again, 85% of this is what I have to pay. So 85% of this price. That is what will be my value. And let's say this comes at 25. I'm just making it up. If I add these two, that is let's say 49. I have to pay 8% tax on the top of that, sales tax. So 8% of that. This value plus whatever we got. That is what we have to pay. And you guys got 54 point something. I'll agree to that. I'm not wanting to spend time on this one, okay? So that we can go back to similarity of candle where you guys were dealing with some of the unknowns, okay? Alright, so this was like a breather in between. Let's go back to the next problem in the assignment. Is everybody okay? Okay. Marco, are you clear about the concept? Remember one thing, for percentage you don't have to write any formula. Don't have to think about formula, okay? Think about it like English. Cent is a short form of century. We are in the 21st century, which is nothing but 100. Not 21st century, this is century, which is 100. If I say 20% of 800, if you have to find it out, you will not try recalling the formula, you will read this like English. 20 per, let's not worry about it. I'm just explaining something which is English, not math. 20% of 800. This sign is also equal to off. You can say this is off, okay? And if you say, I'm driving at 70 miles per hour, how do you write it? 70 miles per hour, right? So this by is your per. So 20% of 800. That's your formula. Think about it like English, it will be easy. You don't have to memorize anything. Okay? Alright. Now let's go back to one more or maybe two more problems on the assignment so that you guys are super clear about what drama and circus we were doing the last class. Devika and Maisha thinking, oh, this old man does drama in the class. Okay, let's do a little bit more of drama. Now we have one more problem here. This is a line here. I will make a little bigger picture so that you guys can see it. These are the two triangles I have. This is given as 21. This is given as 6. This is given as 7. And this is y. Find out the value of y.
Okay. So what are the numbers again?
21, 6, 7, 4. Yep.
I'm not imagine.
Yep.
Wait,
Is
that's a
Y
4 or y?
What is that?
Is that a 4 or a y?
This is Mr. Biren's age. Find it out.
Is it?
You're 49.
Wait. Uncle?
Huh?
Is Y equal to?
Y equal to? No, I don't think so.
Oh.
Wait, the last line on the bottom is...
No, so again. Okay, so I'm reading it again. This line segment's length is 21. This is 6. This is 7. And you have to find out this one. Jokingly, I put my name. You have to find out value of this. If I say this is find out the age of Biren, you will say you are 49, turning 50 this year. It's not going to be the answer for every question, okay? So you have to derive it. Yes, Jiganya, what did you get?
I got 2 because the difference between 21 and 7, you have to divide 3 with 21.
Oh, you got 2 also, right?
Divide
Okay.
21 with 3, so you get 7. And if you divide 6 with 3, you get 2.
Okay. So Jaganya, first of all, beta, I am super happy to hear your voice. I'm hearing it after almost like more than a month. Yeah? Okay. Cool. Sidhu, what did you get? Sidhu and Kian.
I got double travelers too because...
You also got 2? Kian?
Divide 3 with 21 to get 7, and now you gotta divide 3 with 6 to get 2.
Hmm.
I got y equals 2
Okay.
because 21 divided by...
Okay, no, I think I would request everybody not to explain it. I would request everybody not to explain because otherwise I'll not be able to get everybody else's answer. What did you get, Kian J? Just give me the answer.
Oh, I got 2.
Okay. Divika, Havisha, you also got 2? 2. Everybody is showing the swag in the class. 2. Okay. Yeah, Grihita, what did you get, better?
Sir, I got 2.
See, now again, all the problems in this assignment are exact copy of each other. As long as you are clear about the concept, you will be able to apply that. Remember this. Here also when you are looking at these 2 triangles, these 2 are similar triangles. As simple as that. Why? These 2 lines are parallel. This is the intersecting line. Anyway, this is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. And these 2 lines are parallel. So that would mean if these 2 lines are parallel, so this is 90, okay, I don't care about it. If these 2 lines are parallel and this is intersecting line, then I can say this angle and this angle are same. So these 2 are 90 degree, these 2 are same, third angle will be same any which way. Okay, so let's say if this is 1, this is 1, this is 2, this is 2, this is 3, this is 3. Now same thing, let's say this is again. So let's use my first and last name for things that you don't care about, right? You guys don't care about the teacher. So let's say this is my first letter of my name, B, and this is the last letter of, this is the first letter of my surname, K. So we'll not care about it. So now we have 2 triangles which we are saying similar, because this is 90, this is 90, these 2 are corresponding angles. When you look at these, what am I doing? Yeah. Okay, these 2 are parallel lines and this is the intersecting line. So Why I'm saying these two are same? Okay, no. Let's look at these two lines being parallel line, and this is the intersecting line. So these and these are corresponding angles. They are same. So third angle will be same. Now, first angle's opposite side, K divided by B. Second angle's opposite side, 21 divided by 7. Third angle's opposite side, 6 divided by y. You don't care about your teacher anyways. Ignore that. Not needed. This is just for relating to the formula, that's all. Now you have 21 over 7 equal to 6 over y. You have to find out y. Do butterfly. Y goes to this side, everything else comes to this side. So 21 comes here, becomes division, and 7 goes up, becomes multiplication. Now time to play. 6 you can write as 2 into 3, and 7 is a prime number, leave it like that. 21 you can write as 7 into 3 again. And do tic-tac-toe. This one 7 and 7 gone, this 3 and this 3 gone. Your answer is 2. Yeah? Everybody's answer was the same. I did not do anything magical. What I did was, I just insisted on the same fact that if you know similarity of triangle concept, then you know that your sides are in the same proportion. What all sides? I'll come to it. What all sides we are talking about? Sides opposite to the matching angle. Matching angle, opposite side. Matching angle, opposite side. Matching angle, opposite side. That's it. So it is going to get pretty boring as long as you practice few problems, and you'll be able to relate to it. It will be very quick. Greta, Kian, everybody okay? Does it sound very comforting now? Kian A, Sidhu, Adya,
Yes, sir.
Devika. Comfortable? Not comfortable?
Kind of confused.
A little confused? Okay, so what I will do, suggest is just after the class, just watch the video of the class once I upload it, and then we will meet again anyway day after tomorrow. Ask your questions, we'll deal with them. Okay? So again, the deal is watch the video of the class, make your notes, practice few problems, and then if there's something that is not clear, you know whom to catch hold of. That is your teacher. Okay? Yes, Sujit.
So should we just so for like a question like this, should we just use the rule of proportionality, then we can check it with this formula?
Yeah. See, simple thing. Now let me ask you guys a very stupid question. Why are you guys coming to this class? Is it because I'm a great geography teacher? No, right? You are coming here for a reason. You are coming here to learn math. Because you believe that probably I know a little bit of math. If you have to find out a psychology teacher or sociology teacher, no. Similarly, when we say similarity of triangle, what is your intent? You are saying that okay, these triangles are similar, meaning they have matching angle. So what? This is that what part of it. If you have matching angles, their sides will be in the same proportion. So when your head thinks about two triangles being similar, first thing that flashes in your mind is, oh, their sides will be in the same proportion. Write it down. And then you can, whatever is known, you put the numbers, whatever is not known, you'll derive it. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
A little bit. Okay. Alright. So, if the things are not clear, it will get more clear with practice. That is why I give you guys assignment. So, for the kids who like Devika and Havisha, since they are dealing with me for the first time, obviously there are things that we have learned in the previous classes which they will have to catch up. So, only for today's classes video, just watch it once, make your own notes, and if there is something that is confusing, I would want to hear that from you guys so that I get the opportunity to do a better job as a teacher for you guys. Okay? Yeah? With that being said, I will let you guys go. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Have a good rest. I'll come back to haunt you all day after tomorrow. Alright? Good night.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.